That parcel that way, I want to throw it away.
Ayun.
Yeah, don't throw it. Yeah, this is the
Because
package.
it's been a while that it's in there.
Laying in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can seal it.
Seal it. Yeah, somebody sent us wrong or to me. I got scammed. So it's supposed to be a skirt. Since we cannot return it and we cannot contact who sent it to me. So I told Marites, let's just open it and if maybe the skirt will fit on her. So open it.
Puro laga ko unboxing.
Unboxing. La.
Wala, ang sama ni.
Is it a skirt really? Because that's what it.
Kurtina.
Sanina.
Ay, dress.
Dress?
Dress.
It's not even a skirt.
Yeah.
Ipakita ra ko ng
Oh my god, this is for 1 peso.
Uy,
Ang kagamay. Pambata man eh, oy.
wait, it's for maybe sa Milin.
No.
Huh?
No.
no.
Dako
That's for maybe for Maribin.
I can't wear this. Digimon.
And that's 1,000 pesos.
Oh my god, the quality is like 100, 150 something.
Oh my god.
It's better in the okay-okays. In the okay-okay.
In the used clothes, I got scammed, guys, and that is 1,090.
Hindi, be.
Maybe
Look at the quality. Very nipis.
see through. We can't even see Maribin.
Yeah.
Look at tanawa yung duha diha naong ninyo. Adto ditong duha. See, I can see you both.
Oh my god, the quality is
Bad.
Ingon is skirt.
Well, that's what Marites when she searched it. I got scammed.
Abi ko skirt.
I didn't even order it. You know, that's why I
Kisa
feel.
mo. Kisa mo order.
Who would order this for 1,090 pesos?
Kano siya ninaabot?
Yeah, about 5 days ago.
Oh my god. Can you say I can, Jude, I can.
You cannot wear it. Yeah, but just try it just for at home. But you're not gonna wear it on public. Just try. See
My
if it looks good. Maybe
Siguro siya, Jude.
Huh?
She
Yeah,
like,
because Maribin is smaller than Marites.
then she like this kind of dress. Baka na lang ng puti ko, uy. Baka ng puti ba? Ako ng
Oh
puti
my
ko,
God.
Diyos ko ng puti.
I just really feel. I know I'm laughing right now, guys, but
Ayaw
deep
na.
inside, I'm so frustrated
Ay,
about
ako,
someone would scam me.
Baka ako ng puti.
Maribin is gonna try to fit in, see if it looks good. So we're gonna see how it looks. Huh?
Outfit check. Sige, outfit check.
Hala!
Me.
Hala!
Oh
Lain.
my God.
Look like a
Lula.
12 years old. Ay, is it a grandma or 12 years?
Not my
Lola.
face, Jude.
No, you're not your. It's not your taste.
Siguro,
sige,
kanina lang,
go. Takilid.
guputla na lang ni, I will remove the white.
Dili dapita
part.
o dili kay maklaro dili dapita.
Lain na siya tanan.
Marites,
Sige, katawa
Marites keeps laughing.
Bundi nga na lagi ng white. Maybe, kanang kuhaan na ng white.
Uy.
Wow. My gosh, maybe you can
1,000.
wear. Yeah, that's 1,000 pesos. I got scammed.
Gunting nga na.
How can I find those people
Gunting nga
that
na.
did this to me?
Ganahan, guntingon, ug ako yung so
I hope the people that did this to me will get their karma.
Yeah.
Why would they do something like that? For 1,000 pesos with this dress?
Ige, waige.
Alam ka na, parang plano ko. Gunting na lang. Para di.
Ano na si Ugi? Ha?
Gunting na lang.
Sige, sige, ako sige, wow. Decide.
Oh my gosh, what a scam. Well, whatever.
Scam yun siya.
Yeah, it's a scam.
Ayaw dyan na susutag. Uy, lain. Diyo ko ito na.
Marites advise Maribin not to wear it in public because it's
Yeah.
maybe for the house. You can wear it tomorrow, Maribin.
Ni.
Ay, nak.
Grabe, pangura na. 1K pesos. Oh my God.
whatever.